Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a very simple accordion slide. It actually has a horizontal and a vertical one, and I'll show you how to build them. First of all, in the HTML we have a container. Inside the container there's two classes, which is the horizontal and the vertical class. The contents in both of the classes are the same. In this case I'll use Apple products, and that's it for the HTML part. And then in the CSS, first thing we see here is to set the margin and padding to 0 for all elements. This means for all elements in the web page. And then we have some styles for the headings and the body as well. So in the horizontal accordion, we set the width and the height and the overflow. This is where the animation comes in, the box shadow. It's just a very thin shadow outside the whole div. You can see it out here. And inside the div, the list items, we have this normal styles for them. And then there's also a box shadow which is set to blue. You can see it over here. It's also quite thin. And then for this transition, this basically means when you hover over one of the images, it just moves like this in a 2-second time frame for all 4 of the images. And this WebKit and Moz here is just the prefixes for different browsers. So this is for Google Chrome and this is for Mozilla Fox. And this style is basically saying that when you're not hovering over the images, the width of the images is set to 40 from here to here. And then when you are hovering over the images, it's set to 640 pixels like this. And then we have this image title, which is just this kind of gray box here. The background is set to gray, no color basically, and the width is set to 200 pixels. And then inside the box there's words in there, so you can see the different styles for it, normal styles. And then for the vertical accordion is pretty much the same, just to change some width and height to make sure it fits in. And then change all the heights. You can see the transitions are the same, 2 seconds. You can change those if you want. And for this, back in the horizontal accordion we have it set to a width, but for this, because it is vertical, we have to make it a height. This 120 pixel means from here to here is 120 pixels, and then when you hover over it, it's 480 pixels from here to here. And then this is normal, the same as the horizontal accordion, and this is also the same as the horizontal accordion. So this is pretty much it, and thanks for watching.